Good morning everyone. I am Jaydeep Mundra from Bikaner Polymers Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans and can seaming machine. In this video I'll be displaying our beverage machine, especially for cafes and restaurants, for packing of coffee, mocktails, shakes. It's a very sleek machine with a digital display. We make PET cans. We do printing also on those cans. We have various sizes in PET cans from 100 ml up till 500 ml. This is the machine, and we are sealing the 250 ml can in this. The can is sealed. We do printing also. We can print your logo, single color, single side. The can is sealed. I am pressing the can and there is no leakage. There is a 350 ml can that we make. There is the 500 ml can. All beverage cans can be sealed on this machine. It's a fast machine. Sealing time is less than 2 seconds. The importance of this machine is that the can does not rotate in this machine, so the liquid will not spill out. The machine head is rotating. So this is called as chuck. These are two rollers. The machine head is rotating. The can is not rotating. For any further queries, please contact us. Our contact details are mentioned in the description. Thank you.